In this video I'm going to show you how to add a footer stamp to your document and the different types of footer stamps that are available to you. Now the footer stamp is that code that appears in the lower left hand corner of the document. Take a moment, I'm going to zoom in that area so that you can see what my current footer stamp looks like. You see there's a prefix of the word file with the colon and then a document number and then a version number. Now what I highly recommend that you do is you go to the WorldDocs admin and configuration document, which is out on the network. You all have access to these documents. They are located right here in the guides folder, which is within the WorldDocs installation folder on your network. And here you see WorldDocs GX configuration and admin guide. Now it's a little bit dated, but there's still some good information in this document pertaining to document stamps. Now what I recommend that you do is go to about page 4, now it looks like page 500 within the admin and configuration guide, and just copy out of the document these different path statements. Now I've done that. I'm going to show you here on my screen. What it'll allow you to do is just play with some of these different options that you have so you can see what that stamp will look like in your physical document. The other thing WorldDocs has done for us recently is given us quick, easy access to the INI file, the WorldDocs INI file. In the past, you'd have to go to the WorldDocs program folder, open up the file, and then edit it. Well, now we have a little tool. It's sort of like a little wizard. And what I have done is I've created a shortcut to my WorldDocs INI file. If I right-click on the properties, you'll be able to see they are whatever the program folder is, /wdadmin.exe space /INI. That will then open up the INI file for you. And in terms of footer stamping, it makes it very easy for us to apply these different changes. So I'll go to the stamping options choice, and then if I just double click on document stamp, this is where you would apply the different codes that you would like to experiment with in terms of stamping options. What I'm going to do now is from my cheat sheet, I'm going to take a stamp statement, copy it to the clipboard. I'm going to start up my INI file, go to stamping options, double click on the document stamp, paste in the stamp statement that I had selected, click on OK, and now I'm going to bring my sample document up and restamp it, update the footer, and there you can see profile group, client, project, document number with extension. Now I'm going to go back to my default, which is found right down here at the bottom, and I just want this much of it without the equal sign. Copy to the clipboard, go back into the INI file, and then go to the stamping option, double click on document stamp, paste it in, get rid of the equal sign, click on OK, and go back to my sample document, update the footer, and there's my stamp. This will conclude your introduction on how to insert a basic footer stamp in your documents.